Hello to all the beautiful ladies and women out there. So before I wish you all a very happy Women's Day, I would like to share something. Entering pome jake no yale, pome jak son pasang pomo changmala yale. Dashis the lake yaponi tiglik dedicate just the yot kya sangme pya just to appreciate working yale. So here it goes. Pumit zerve lose pa sempam nangwa majat. Pumit zerve lose ne milus zangpo chorgos de yale. Tene pumet zerve lose poni mijiga sukchik nang tu phalale. Tene kaltes pumet met pe jixten bo. I think nye sambena jixten tongpa chokshigi nok samala khayal. So women, you all are so special in this universe. So I wish you all a very happy Women's Day, and every day you have so many ups and downs, and don't feel low and keep yourself strong, and happy Women's Day again to all of you. So I think